Subaru head gasket repairs are real. They're still an incredibly common failure, and every time you go to that dealership, they're going to tell you, this version's been engineered, it doesn't have that problem. Let's talk about why it has that problem. When we talk about an engine, they have all different designs. You could have a 4-cylinder where they go straight up and down, like in most 4-cylinder Honda or Toyota motor vehicles. Or you could have a V6 or V8 where they're on a 60 or 90 degree angle to make that engine block assembly fit perfectly well into it. But then you've got Subarus who got pretty unique. And the only other car company that matched them was Volkswagen Porsche with the horizontally opposed boxer engine. Why is it called a boxer? Because boxers punch you. You know what a horizontally opposed boxer engine does? Horizontally opposed and boxing. 2 cylinders to either side. So in this case, because we have our cylinder heads facing sideways, so if we turn the engine over and we look at it, we've got our piston looking straight at us sideways. We're trying to keep all our oil, everything inside, all our coolant, everything else on the outside. But gravity sucks. And so it's going to pull all that stuff to the bottom no matter what. Now, if it was a 4-cylinder and it was laying flat, it's a level surface, it's not really going to go anywhere. But on that Subaru horizontally opposed boxer engine where that head gasket sits in a vertical plane placement, the bottom is always going to have moisture retention on it. So of the 6 bolts that hold that head on, that bottom center bolt is always going to have moisture intrusion, which will eventually lead to a lack in torque clamping capacity of the threads of that bolt. So eventually, that head gasket's gonna leak. Now, we know it, you know it, and every 5 years, your Subaru is gonna know it. If you want to avoid it, come and see us at Saul's Autotek. We can do preventative maintenance testing to make sure we're years ahead of yours. We can chemically test it before you ever see a leak to know, is that coolant disappearing? Is it cross-contaminating with that oil? Is there a problem coming down the pipes? Is it a year, 2 years, or is it now? And we support that repair with a 3-year, 100,000-mile parts and labor nationwide warranty. What's Subaru offer? Oh, right, 12 months, 12,000 miles. So they know that their engine leaks, and they'll only warranty it for a year. We know their engine leaks, and we're going to repair it better, and we're going to warranty it for 3 years. You know that car is going to last you 10, 15, 20 years. You're probably the second or the third owner of it. Keep it alive, take care of those head gaskets, and we'll show you how here at Autotek.